Hey guys, I have a new series today. I want to talk through taxable accounts, also known as brokerage accounts. This is a very flexible type of investment account that is often overlooked and often misunderstood. So as always, this is not personal financial, tax, or investment advice. It's just for education. So we just finished a series on Roth accounts. So let's talk through the taxable account or the brokerage account. This video, I want to provide just an introduction to what it is, why it's unique, and maybe why you should care. So let's start with a background story. So in the last week or so, I met with two very different client types that are on the opposite ends of the wealth building spectrum. So I have a couple here that is in their accumulation phase. They're thinking about various goals, one of which is retirement, but they also have things like education, funding, and travel. Then I have another client that is retired and has been retired for a number of years, thinking about taxes and what are the implications of distribution in their retirement. Both of these clients had taxable accounts and they were able to use them with various levels of success or frustration depending on what their planning had been up until that point. So the reason I highlight this is because I really do feel that this is going to impact anyone on the spectrum. So whether you are further into your retirement journey, you can really learn more about these accounts, or if you're just getting started, you can really avoid making any mistakes to meet the goals that you have for the future. So what is a taxable or brokerage account? Simply put, this is an after-tax account, meaning it's not something that you create through an employer. It is something that is yours. It's fully portable. You can fund it at any time with various levels of income. So meaning there's not really any minimum requirements. You could open up a brokerage account right now, anytime you want. You can also put money in the account regardless of what your family or single income is. So there are no limits. Also, the flexibility for this type of account is the government does not have any say in how or when you withdraw it. And that's in stark contrast to something like a traditional IRA or a traditional 401k, because eventually you will have to withdraw the money. This is a very flexible and liquid type of account. Now, the other thing to know about the brokerage account is it is, again, just an investment vehicle. You can put all kinds of things inside your brokerage or your taxable account, such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, alternative investments, etc. So you can actually invest in a myriad of different ways inside these accounts. Now, the cool thing about this is if you're someone, especially if you know you want to use this for shorter term goals or you want to retire early, a brokerage account or a taxable account can be really advantageous. Now, lastly, the tax implications are that of capital gains, and we will get into that in future videos. See you next time.